If you're looking for a reliable, professional, and affordable air conditioning repair La Mesa services, well, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be one of the top local providers of air conditioning repair in La Mesa, California. And we're committed to creating satisfied customers. No matter what type of furnace or heating and air work you need done, we can do it all. Call one of our friendly, air conditioning repair La Mesa services team now to set up an appointment or for a quotation. Call us now. Call 844-658-4510. That's 844-658-4510.